Hi, my name's Richard Halstead. I work for EEF, the manufacturers organisation representing engineering and manufacturing, and I'm the membership director for the Northern region. I wanted to talk in this year of engineering about my personal journey. When I was at school, I didn't know what to do, so I ended up doing STEM subjects. In those days, it was maths, physics, chemistry. Nowadays, it can be anything from IT, computer science, design and technology, a BTEC in engineering. I then went on to university, didn't know what I wanted to do, so did engineering. And came out, joined the automotive sector, and actually, despite that foundation engineering, went through a career in sales and marketing, and then general management, and now end up here working for EEF, representing that same sector. So I want to talk to you about what should you do if you're at school wondering what should I be doing? Well, I would say look at STEM subjects because we have a massive skills shortage. When you end up, the average salary in engineering and manufacturing is £3,000 a year. That's £250 a month, more than the average salary in the service sector. And it gives a great foundation stone. Those STEM subjects, that engineering qualification, whether it be an apprenticeship or a degree, just gives you a great foundation on which you can do anything. So in this year of engineering, consider that as a career.